Today is a wonderful day. I'm Javier Unzueta with Javi's Woodworks. Why is it a wonderful day? Well, because we're less than a week away from the woodworking extravaganza that is the Atlanta Woodworking Show. Also, I received my Mike Mertzke custom shirt. My Mike Mertzke custom shirt. And I'm about to show you my Fidget Build Challenge video project thingy. Now, with the editing of my RV mod videos and the show coming up, I didn't quite have enough time to do a cup challenge and a fidget spinner challenge, so I compromised. This is fun. I can do this all day. Cheers. Tastes lacquery. Oh. Enjoy the build. Now to start with, I basically took a piece of walnut and a piece of maple left over from my sign shop engraving award days. I apologize the audio, but the original quality was lacking, so I decided to dub it. Here I am describing a laser engraved ruler I created. For anybody with laser engravers, this is absolutely fantastic thing to have. You engrave your ruler, markings, numbers, and logo if you wish, and then you use your engraver to cut it. It's see-through, and it's a wonderful project to make out of a simple piece of 1/8 inch plexiglass. Here I'm just measuring out how much wood I have to work with, so I know exactly where to align the CNC to cut the pieces for my cup fidget. I use my Mac to design all my G-code files, and of course, since all the software is PC-based, voila, a PC. I'm having the PC cut out the horizontal layers of the cup, basically one bottom piece and a couple of the middle and top piece, which are identical. Now I go to the CNC computer, transfer the files via my network onto the CNC, and here I am mounting the first walnut piece. I zero the surface with my touch plate, set my 00 with the laser, and start the program. The machine measures my tool with the other touch plate, and it's off and running. 1-inch dish cutter router bit for the bottom. A 10-second tool change from dish cutter to end mill, and continue. Now for my next piece, I realign X and Y, and the rest of the process is the same. Now I do have the vacuum boot off for the purpose of shooting this video. Pretty soon I'm going to invent a new fangled way to move all this sawdust out of the way without actually hindering the video. But in the meantime, well, we got to do the cleanup. Now I mount the next piece and the process starts all over again. After cutting the pieces, I take them to the orbital sander with 120 grit and sand the surfaces clean. And then using the spindle sander, I take care of the curved surfaces inside and out. Now that the pieces are glued together and dried, I carefully mark exactly where I want the holes for the bearings to go. Ever so gently with ramped plunge moves and a speed of somewhere in the 10 inches per second range, I carefully cut out the bearing holes. A little bit of spray lacquer, insert the bearings, and it's done. I cannot put this thing down. Curse you, Zach Manring!